And a second COVID-19 vaccine might soon be headed to the public after the FDA's Vaccine Advisory Panel nearly unanimously recommended that Moderna's vaccine be authorized for emergency use. Now, the FDA is expected to make its final decision as early as today, and the advisory panel's vote, 20 yeses and 1 abstention, moments after the vote. The panel expert from University of Michigan, who voted no on Pfizer's application but then yes on Moderna, sat down for an exclusive interview with our Paula Tutman to explain the reason behind her difference in votes.
Good morning, everyone. All eyes are on the FDA's Advisory Committee for the COVID-19 vaccines. Something very interesting happened yesterday. These experts who've been gathered from around the country actually voted no for Pfizer last week, but voted yes for Moderna yesterday. One of those scientists was Dr. Oveta Fuller, a microbiologist and immunologist at the University of Michigan, who sat down with me for this exclusive one-on-one moments after the vote in which there were 20 yes votes and 1 abstention for the emergency use authorization for Moderna.
I did give a yes vote this time.
Yet Dr. Fuller voted no on the Pfizer emergency use authorization request last week because she says she felt like she didn't get to address key vaccine issues or get transparency on monitoring, shedding, hyperimmunity, and other study modalities that did get addressed with Moderna.
For the fact that people who get vaccinated and get re-exposed to virus may not have any adverse hyperimmunities as well, but she admitted that we just don't know. And just even saying that we just don't know, we'll have to see, makes me feel like, okay, well, at least we're watching, we're paying attention. And I think they have the system to pay attention.
So here's kind of how messenger RNA works. The vaccine carries with it a special genetic code mugshot of what the COVID-19 virus looks like and shows it to the body's immune system and says basically, if you see this guy, handle him. The question Dr. Fuller had was, because there is so much virus circulating, does the immune system stay in a never-ending state of activity, putting up its dukes? Does the immune system get tired of the fight, or does the immune system keep fighting every time it sees any image of that virus? And simply put, Moderna considered that and other questions. This built confidence and awareness of risks for Dr. Fuller.
So the point is that if I say that here's the bar you need to reach, which was 50% efficacy over 2 months of the vaccine in people. Pfizer met that, and it seemed like their study was set up to meet that at the minimum, but it wasn't set up to do a whole lot else. Moderna's study met that, exceeded it. That's the kind of planning that to me makes a difference in a study from someone that has the intentions of helping people overall versus someone who is rushing to get to a finish line.
The conversation continues starting at 4 o'clock today when I put together one of our expert roundtables of scientists from across the country who will actually talk about what they see in the research. What they say may actually inform you on whether or not you're willing to take either of these vaccines. Paula Tutman, Local 4.